What's going on, everybody? So welcome back to Haywire RC, and here's the Losi 8 2.0. It's nice new lights. It has certainly been a while since you saw this. I was hoping to get this thing running a lot, but unfortunately we had trouble with the starter box, which I was able to sort out a little bit. And guys, the engine that's in this, it is not a 350. The 350 is actually back there. So we ended up taking the 350 out as it's really no good. Yeah, everybody, so the whole story with this engine, my friend bought this one on eBay. It is used, unfortunately, but it does have a turbo head. The guy actually listed it, not even mentioning the turbo head. And then when we got it, we looked at it and like, oh, geez, got a turbo head on it. Yeah, guys, so even though a 28 size engine's pretty, big and a buggy, we're just gonna keep it in there. It's a basher. Gonna leave it as a basher because we have nowhere to race this thing. Then we got a brand new Nova Engines pipe. This thing is really sweet. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. I tried to do the fuel lines as best as I could. It's a little messy looking, but it'll do. Hey guys, so this pipe just came in yesterday. Looks real sweet. We got brand new clutches in there. And this thing is ready to go if our starter box works. And guys, I'd just like to take a moment to thank you all for tuning into the channel, as your views mean a lot to me and my friend. It's certainly great to see you guys in the comments. As you may know from the title, this is the 454 sub special. So we got the 454 in the Buggy and the 454 in the LST. These are Losi 454s, not Chevy 454s. You should know that.
You a lot of power.
Yeah. Alright, anyway, let's take this thing out, finally fire it up. Alright, everybody. Lights look pretty great. I got the body on it. I'm thinking of doing a body later on. I don't really like that, I guess fishbowl kind of body, I guess is what they call it. I like the boxier kind. It looks a little more meaner. Alright guys, so we got the Buggy. We're at the track. Track's a little dirty. We had a pretty bad storm a couple nights ago, but I cleaned it up okay. Yeah, so let's rip this thing up and see how it does. Alright people, that'll be it. As you know, we had the tune really rich, unfortunately. But I mean, this track's small. We couldn't really go much faster, especially with these tires. You don't really have much traction. It's pretty hard to drive this thing. I really like this remote right here. Got the temp cooling down slowly. The max temp was around, I'd say, 224. Yeah, so it was getting hot, but not super hot. Anyway, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. The Buggy. It might just be our now best running vehicle. Maybe tied with the LST. The LST was having gas tank issues, and it's got a really bad 2-stage. Yeah, guys, and the track packed down pretty good, looking good. Really dirty, but that's okay. Alright people, that'll really be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. The Buggy is back. Finally. Anyway guys, a little short video just to show you guys the Buggy. It's running real nice. Pipe sounds great. The pipe looks great. Alright, you heard me talk enough. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good Christmas, good Happy New Year. And in the future, you'll definitely see this. And we'll get the LST running, Nitro Slash running. Heck, even the boat. Maybe you'll see another boat video, even though it's kind of boring, let's be honest. Yeah, everybody, so thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos, the LST videos. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.